In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy skin sets in Arc Raiders. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what you're looking at, and how to make a purchase without any confusion. First, make sure you're in Speranza. This is the main hub area where most of your menu interactions happen in Arc Raiders. If you're elsewhere, head back to Speranza so the right options are available. Once you're in the hub, look for the Raider option on your screen. Select Raider to open up your character's main menu. From there, choose Customization. This is the place where you can see everything related to your character's visual appearance. Inside Customization, you'll see all the different skin sets displayed in one place. One of the best things about browsing here is that it shows every set, even the ones you haven't unlocked yet. That makes it a better spot to explore than the general store, because you can easily click through different sets, get a live preview on your character, and decide what you like before spending anything. Take a moment to scroll through and preview how each set looks from different angles. This helps you compare styles and find something that truly fits your raider. When you highlight a set, look to the right side of the screen. You'll see the price clearly listed there. This lets you quickly check whether it fits your budget without jumping between menus. If a set is locked, you'll still be able to view it here, which is useful for planning what you might want later. Some sets might require progression or a specific currency, and seeing them all laid out helps you prioritize. If you found the set you want, simply click Purchase. The game will confirm the price and may ask you to confirm the purchase before finalizing. Make sure you have enough of the required in-game currency, and double-check that you're buying the correct set, especially if there are similar variants. Once confirmed, the set will be available right there in your customization menu, ready to equip. A few quick tips while you're browsing. Use the preview to check how the pieces look in different lighting and on your current raider. If you're deciding between multiple sets, preview them back to back and compare the overall silhouette and color scheme. And if a set you love is locked, keep it in mind for later. Seeing it here helps you plan your next purchase. That's it. Being in Speranza, selecting Raider, opening customization, previewing sets, checking the price on the right, and clicking. Purchase is all you need to buy skin sets in Arc Raiders. Enjoy your new look out there.